Come to the next topic. That is related to the movements of Indian plate. Till now we have learned a lot of plates movement, their parts, their causes of their movements, their rates of the movement, everything we have learned. Now we will learn for the movement of the Indian plate, which involves the plate's interactions with the surrounding plates and features. That means the movement of the plates, Indian plates specifically, which involves the plates interaction with the other plates and their features, and which comprises the peninsula India, Australia. Its northern boundary is marked by a continent convergence. Just now we have learned in the convergent boundary there are three conditions. First one is continent to continent, second one is ocean to ocean, and the third one is continent to ocean. So there is a condition which we can see, it's a continent to continent convergence at the subduction zone along with the Himalayas. So to the east it extends through the Rakhine mountains of Myanmar and towards the Java Trench. That is the movement of the Indian plate. From where to there it's gone. And the eastern margin is characterized by the acceleration expanding the landmass. The western boundary, from this part all of you should remember, the western boundary follows the Kirthar mountain in Pakistan. It's a great mountain and it's a famous places, and extending along the Makrana coast to the spreading side nearby to the Chagos archipelago. Archipelago, that means it's a kind of island which is covered up by the land in three places or the spaces, and south of the Red Sea Rift. So three places names are mentioned over there. The oceanic ridge runs west to east, delineating the boundary between the Indian and Arctic plates. The Indian and Antarctic plates. So the short pointers what we have learned from this following paragraph, that the components of Indian plates, through which components are there, the peninsula India and the Australia. Come to the northern boundary, it's a subduction zone along the Himalayas, and continent convergence we have seen. Eastern margin which extends through Myanmar to nearby to the Java Trench. Southwest Pacific Ridge, which is a divergent boundary east of Australia, we can see. Western boundary, it's alongside or along with the Kirthar mountain which is in Myanmar and the Chagos archipelago. Boundary with the Antarctic plates which marked an oceanic ridge to the south of New Zealand. And Himalayan formation, it's a young folded mountain, so India's plate collision with the Eurasian plates, that's how the Himalayan mountain we can see it's formed.